channel. This is Dr. Mommy Locs, and I am here today to do a quick video on my hair journey or lock journey update. Today is March the 8th, 2021. Therefore, I have been locked for exactly 2 full years. So yes, today is my 2-year LocAversary. And I just wanted to hop on here so that I could get a video of my hair, the length of it at the 2-year mark. If you are new to this channel, then welcome to my channel. I talk about everything from locks, growth, to there's a video on here with me when I first started my locks, so starter locks, hairstyles, retwisting it myself, going to professionals to get my hair locked, creating my own lock products to use on my hair, products that I've used across the past 2 years. So just anything locks related, I make videos about on this channel. So welcome to my channel. Now, for those of you who have been hanging out with me for a while, you know that this journey has been pretty much an uneventful one. It was pretty easy. And so, yeah, I am here today just to give you guys and myself, as I look back over my journey, I am going to be creating a diary pretty much of my hair as I continue to let it grow, as it relates to these videos. So that's the other reason why I am creating these videos. So I wanted to hop on here really quickly to just kind of let you guys see my hair. And the last time I was on camera to talk about my hair and the process was exactly 1 month ago on February the 8th, because that was the day that I went to get my hair retwisted and hot oil treatment and all that good stuff. So yeah, what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to try and go 8 weeks. Or 2 months. So basically, if I did the retwist in February, I will go back again in April. So around April 8th, or whenever it's kind of convenient for me within that week, then I'll go and get it retwisted, or I may do it myself. I don't know. It depends on how I'm feeling. So yeah, but my hair has definitely grown in this 2-year time frame. And so if I can find some pictures of when I first started or a couple of video clips, then I will add them back here. If not, then you can just go back through some of my previous videos and you'll be able to see the growth of my hair. But yeah, that's it. And let me hop up here on the back. My daughter just scared me. So you can see the back of my hair as it is growing. Let's see. Yes, I actually do have a little hang time and a little shoulder action, guys. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can go to the other side. Actually, while she's up here in my bedroom scaring me, she could be recording, so I wouldn't have to do all of these physical movements just to let y'all see the back of my hair. But that's another video and another conversation for another time. But yeah, this is it. Like I said, I didn't want to make this long. I just wanted to do a length check and check in on my exact day of my 2-year journey. See if I can zoom in so you can see some of the locks up close. And I know I had made a video about doing a length check too. I'm trying to see when I want to do that. I may do those maybe every 2 months or so to kind of see if, how fast my hair is really growing. But yep, that's it. That's pretty much all I have for this video for today. If you would please like this comment, like this video. Leave a comment below and let me know where you are in your journey. Actually, I was kind of scrolling through YouTube and I saw that there was another young lady who had started her locks on March 8th. So if you are out there, then leave me a comment below and let me know exactly how your process is going as well. And I think she was actually going to be 2 years on today as well. So that's pretty cool. If I could find a little YouTube friend to go through this journey with as I continue this journey. But please like this information, share it, and please subscribe to my channel. This is all I have for this video. This is Dr. Mommy Locs. Peace.